everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I literally have 12 hours until I leave for Walt Disney World. If you didn't see my community tab, this is my first trip without Ruthie. I just have Rosie with me. Make sure to hit the notification bell. It will also give you notifications for when I am talking about stuff on my community tab. It lets you guys know if I'm changing anything up as far as videos, or get you prepared for videos, or what you can kind of look forward to during the week. And make sure if you are not subscribed to hit that subscribe button, because I would love to see you back here. And I am doing a packing video. Now this packing video is in collaboration with Bekah Hart. You guys may have seen a video that we did over Vlognica. We sent each other boxes. So we are actually going to get to meet in person and on this trip, and we decided, hey, what better way to celebrate than do a little collaboration. So if you want to go check out her video, please do. It is a packing video as well. It's her and her husband Andy are going to Walt Disney World, and I'm going to get to meet them this week, and I am so excited. We talk nearly every day. She has become one of my closest friends on YouTube, and I can't wait to meet her. So the first thing we are going to do is a pre-trip haul. And I did a flower and garden shop with me, so some of the stuff you may have already seen if you've seen that video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it above. But let's get into a pre-trip haul. And after we do the haul, I am going to flip the camera around and we are going to pack together. So I got Rosie this little Skip Hop water bottle. It's really cute. It's got a little kitty on it. I will try and link all this stuff on Amazon. I will try and find as much as I can. In case you couldn't tell already, Rosie is here. I'm going to try and do this without her complaining too much. And then the next I got was this Newbie Snack Keeper, which we love. Ruthie loves them and Rosie really loves them. It's a great way to store just like Cheerios or Goldfish crackers or whatever you're trying to store. This is a great way to do it. So I'm bringing this with us. Now next is kind of some room decor stuff. This is a little banner. It says Hello Spring. And I think I told you guys I am going to be doing a window spread at Art of Animation. We are staying there this time, and then I got just some things to put around the window. And if you've never seen one of these, I will be releasing a video that has this with it. And to go along with that, I have these little window decor. This is a double, and then here is one with like a little bunny on it. Super cute, perfect for the window, especially great if you are bringing kids with you, because super easy for kids to put up on the window. Now I have definitely hauled these for Disney World when we go over Christmas time, but I found them in pastel colors, and I was like, these are perfect for Walt Disney World during the spring. Like, are you kidding me? So I got these at the 99-cent only store. I know that they are across the country. I know that they have them in Texas for sure, because I've seen hauls in Texas. Obviously, they're like literally every 10 feet in Los Angeles. But if you have a 99-cent only store, I was able to snag these. Now next, you may have seen this in my haul, but I did get one of these trays for Flower and Garden Festival to reuse so that we can bring multiple food items and drink items over at a time. And then I also, okay, you guys, I like freaked out when I saw these. I found these at the Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree is life and I'm always there. But look, it says Adventure Fuel on it. Like, are you freaking kidding me? It's a 2-count. They're plastic. They are BPA free. They're dishwasher and microwave safe. Like, are you kidding me? So obviously I got these because if we can turn on housekeeping, I'm going to turn on housekeeping, which means I would have to call for like the coffee refills and everything, and I don't feel like doing that because this is a great way to, like, you can bring this into Starbucks and save what, 10 cents on your coffee or whatever, and I'm just like, heck yes. So I got two. There's two that say Adventure Fuel, and so I'm gonna give one to my mom. And then next, I ended up getting the fan. This was in my shop with me. People were like, that fan is clutch, and I was like, okay, I gotta go get one, so I did. And it works. See? Is it the most high-powered battery fan I've ever had? No. But will it get the job done? Hopefully. It was worth $1, so we'll give it a try. Now next, I got these Alani ears. Look at these. And they have like a little hidden Mickey in them. So these actually came from my friend Emily, who has been waiting because she's like, I want a shout out in one of your videos. And I'm like, Wait, girl, I'll give you a shout out. So this is from my friend Emily. I planned her and her family's giant family vacation to Alani. If you didn't know, I'm a travel agent that specializes in Disney vacations. My handle and everything is Adventures with Alice in Wonderland. All of the information is always linked in the description box below. So if you are looking to plan a Disney vacation, whether it be Disney Cruise Line, Adventures by Disney, Alani, Walt Disney World, Disneyland, whatever it may be, I plan all things Disney. So make sure to get a hold of me. Like I said, all my stuff is in the description box below. And then I got a new flat iron, and that's because I can't find mine. And I decided to recut my bangs that I've been using Leanne's. Well, when Leanne and I are not together, she still needs to use a flat iron for her own hair. So I went and got a new one, and it was hot pink, so that was pretty much the selling point for me. I only do my bangs, so that's it. And these are not new, but I feel like that they deserved their own moment to shine. So my friend sent me these old buttons. So here is Mickey's Birthday Land. A Disney MGM Studios. An old goofy Walt Disney World button. And so she sent me those three, which was like so sweet. And then these are actually mine. These are old attraction buttons. So I don't know, I probably bought these in middle school and my mom found them and I was like, I want those. So I think I'm bringing them with me. I don't know, they're also kind of precious and I like don't want to lose them, but like also why have them if you're not gonna show them off? So let's turn the camera around and do a pack with me. I am not, this is just gonna have music over it. So it's kind of just like a therapeutic watch me pack. Let's hang out because I've gone over all the new stuff I have and let's just pack the suitcase.
Making with jive boy, say shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3. to making with jive, boy, say shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, 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 you shine. When it hits you, yes.